We are living in a time where leadership is breaking down in government, in boardrooms, in our communities. We're not just facing political division or corporate scandal. We are facing an existential leadership crisis. Leadership today is too often rooted in fear and in ego and in survival, and not in vision, courage, and service. We see it in our governments, where partisanship is replacing problem solving, where preserving power matters more than protecting people, where the loudest voices often drown out the wisest ones. We see it in corporations, where profits at any cost eclipse purpose, where short-term gains are prioritized over long-term impact, where people become expendable in the pursuit of quarterly numbers. We see it in our communities, where trust is crumbling, where polarization is deepening, where too many are choosing division over dialogue, fear over empathy, and apathy over action. And the result? People are disengaged. Institutions are failing. And the human spirit, the part of us that believes that we can create something better, well, it's at risk of growing silent. And innovation is suffocating. And let me tell you, we don't just need more people in positions of power. We need a different kind of leadership altogether. We need authentic leaders who are rooted in purpose, empowered to act, and accountable for their impact, and courageous enough to lead even when it's hard. Authentic leadership isn't about being perfect. It's about being anchored, rooted in values, driven by purpose, courageous enough to lead even in the face of uncertainty. Authentic leaders rebuild trust. They foster innovation. They create cultures where people can thrive, where organizations grow stronger, and where communities heal. And Lord knows, in a world that's desperate for something real, authentic leadership is no longer an option. It's essential. And see, this isn't just theory for me. It's personal. See, I know what it feels like to be counted out, to be told that I didn't belong at the table. But I also know what happens when you choose to lead anyway. Even when no one hands you the title, even when no one gives you permission. See, authentic leadership isn't something I talk about from a distance. It's something I live. In this work, in this space, in this movement towards authentic leadership, it isn't just needed. It's very necessary. Because if we can lead differently, we can build trust. We can reignite purpose, and we can reimagine what leadership can be for individuals, for organizations, and ultimately for the world. I'm LaMondré Pough, reminding you to live big, to live full, and to live authentic.